Hello all, so let's make a Christmas themed fruit cake, and for that these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make the Christmas fruit cake. So first things first, go on to add in the sugar into the butter and have that mixed up with the mixer, and add in the eggs. I would have used my mixer, but at this point the electricity turned off, so I had to go manual. Now I add in my baking powder and other spices into the flour, mix it in, and now I decide to fold it into the butter and egg mixture. So you can see that. Now I'm grating in my lemon zest and next add squeezing the lemon juice. At this point I decided to add in my syrups, that's the black treacle and brownie, into and folded this in. Added in my cherries into my raisins, and I had some dates in. I started adding flour and mixing. This will allow for even dispersion within the batter. So for the recipe of this fruit cake, do check the caption below. So I started to add in rum, and there I added in my flavors to using a 10-inch cake pan to bake this cake, and here they are and in my oven. So this actually gave me 3 pans. And these are the cakes. While hot, I said to brush them over with rum, then allow them to cool down, and here is time to decorate the cake. So I went on to trim the top and grated the cake. That's trimmed the cake using a grater. I love using that grater. And I said to sandwich the cakes using these American buttercreams flavored in strawberry, vanilla, and mint. So here is it all sandwiched up. So I said to now apply first layer of the buttercream and second layer, which is red. It's a Christmas cake, so I chose red for the body of the cake. If you enjoy watching the video thus far, please do like and subscribe. So I said to work with fondant to cut up the top and also create snowflakes. Of course, it's a Christmas tree. Then using royal icing, I said to create snow effects on the cake, and now applying the snowflakes. Now I said to hand craft snowman and Santa. Now so I'm working with the Christmas trees using buttercream, and this is it, adding up the stars. So if you found this video session one you love, do leave a comment and like. If you would love me to do a tutorial on how I handcrafted Santa and snowman, also leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.